Hello! Today we will talk about biopolymers. Let's first recall what biomolecules are, as their composition includes biopolymers. We have already studied them. Biomolecules are substances that have skeletons of covalently bonded carbon atoms and are synthesized by the organism cells. Biomolecules belong to organic compounds. Biomolecules are studied by biochemistry and molecular biology. Cells contain about 30% of biomolecules. You can now see an example of a biomolecule. Click on it. This is a DNA strand. Organic compounds that are part of the cells of living organisms are called biological polymers or biopolymers, proteins, nucleic acids, polysaccharides, etc. Two classes of biopolymers, proteins and nucleic acids, are the main substrates of life. Click on the molecule of hemoglobin protein. It is a biopolymer. A molecule of a biopolymer can contain thousands of interconnected monomers that can be identical or different. Properties of biopolymers depend on the structure of their monomers. Find a chromosome and click on it. Chromosome consists of DNA biopolymer. All biopolymers are built according to the single principle of all living organisms. 1. The main structural elements of cells are protein molecules. They regulate all the processes that take place in cells. 2. Nucleic acids participate in the transmission of genetic, hereditary information from cell to cell and from organism to organism. Genetic code is universal, i.e., the same for all living organisms. 3. Polysaccharides are the most important sources of energy necessary for any vital activity. Transformation of all types of energy and metabolism take place in the cell at the molecular level, and mechanisms of these processes are also universal for all living organisms. Specific properties of biopolymers appear only in a living cell. See how biopolymers are formed from monomers. Click on the model of the biopolymer. Biomolecules are organic compounds that are synthesized in the cells of living organisms and have a number of structural and functional peculiarities. The main functions of small molecules in cells are building function. Monomers take part in the synthesis reactions of more complex molecules. Energetic function. Molecules decay and energy is released. Regulatory and messenger function. Intercellular transfer of information. Antibodies are examples of protective function of biopolymers.